All right, boom. Market opened, instant move up. We took out these 5-minute highs. We have these 5-minute highs looming as well. Dude, I really do have to go to poopy diaper. But anyways, market just opened. ES, we already came through, swept out these 5-minute highs. Looking for maybe a little bit higher. Probably using that first initial sweep of these lows right here to cross the price and push up. All right, boom. Price ended up pushing past these 5-minute highs. We can get rid of that. Now we're all the way above these 5-minute highs. So now my next best bet, boom, we're coming for these. Let's look at NQ really quick. We swept out these lows, targeting these 5-minute highs. We have a bunch of levels. I'm going to get rid of this just because we already know that this was the sweep and then the breakdown. Okay, we're probably going to look for these highs or these highs. Wait, not these highs. I don't know why that got put there. These highs. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of this. Cool, 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 cool. Yes, 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 yes. Let me play music for you boys. Happy Black History Month. Forgot to mention. Free Rio.
Make his heart drop, cut the green beam on, make his car stop. 223, set his engine block and cut the car off. Dump on the nigga head on yellow Zannies, call that bar hop. My brain like a new car that's a drive with no park option. Make a pussy nigga cop reversal in the air pop. My pin say you want a black dog, so I'm tar shop. If in a 4-6 and dick red, you still part drop. I gave you boys enough time to drop, not the shit over. My gloss like a badass little kid, I put a switch on. I broke my cousin 10 scale, I put a brick on him. My little dog on section 8, I put some wick on him. They say I talk about the same shit, well that's all I know. If you ain't blowing hot, keep that shit, bro. Come on, I smoke. If you ain't spinning blues, keep your bread, bro. That's all I want. 4 5s and 10s and they have pictures already told. Make it fun and 7 cheese, that's what I'm into. My bitch got mad, told me to leave, but y'all spin to. Pop you in your shit and tie you up after I kill you. I'm finna rap this nigga, I need an instrumental. You tryna learn some street knowledge? I'm a mentor. Pop him in his knees and fight the nigga, he was 6'4". Your bitch put you out the crib again, what you pay rent for? I paid the bitch to fucking she ain't call, I need a trick more. Hey, I got a drug problem, 10 on me now. I was at Home Depot Real Shop. My bitch is CNN, I gave her 5 to go squirrel shopping. I smoked a quarter pound a day, bro, my lungs throbbing. Need the plug, take everything, watch son, watch. I swear to God, I ain't stick that nigga up my gun rob. Niggas wanna beef, I'm all for it, let's get these guns popping. When niggas start shooting the cribs, they took the fun out of it. Hey, that shit lame as hell. If you snitches still don't meet your case, I hope you stay in jail. In this bitch, I sure keep interrupting, that shit gay as hell. I rock his ass, you let you went to sleep, I got a game for sale. No job with jury, I'm hustling, looking flame as hell. Might as well right on your phone.
Still nothing from me. We're still waiting for news to come out. We have around 13 minutes for that, okay? So again, we're just watching, we're looking, and we're waiting. Today for me is obviously bearish. I really just need to wait for ISM manufacturing just so we don't get some stupid ass big dick to the upside, you know? We did see this get swept and then rallies to the upside, okay? We're starting to fill in this fair value gap. Odds are, like, we punch in this bitch and then we have another 10 minutes for price to possibly go back up. 5 minutes until news comes out. We're just chilling on the 5-minute right now because look at this mess, bro. Look at this mess, bro. There's no reason for me to even look at the 1 minute right now until news comes out. Yo, so something to keep in mind. We did sweep out these lows. Then we got a break. We're coming back into this imbalance in this breaker. Something to think about, but again, news doesn't come out for another 3 minutes, so that would be like the only reason for me to want to want to be bullish today. If we get just like dicks out of news, but odds are news will cause a whole other sweep and drive to where we actually want to go, because this sweep happened during pre-market. All of this shit is just pre-news, so again, there's not really much else to say before news comes out besides like let's just sit on our ass and make out. News comes out in 2 seconds, so let's wait and see what happens. Boom. Wowzers. We could just be seeking out this sell side right here. Pre-market lows out of there. Happy New Year's. Do y'all think wait, I have a question. Do y'all think since it's Black History Month we'll get a black candle, a retracement candle on ES? Hey. Yo. It's going nuts. What? Huh? Okay, so let's talk about this real quick, just so we can stay locked in. I know we were enjoying the music, but pre-market, we came through, took out these lows, boom, we broke structure, but then, all right, now we're back down, sweeping out these lows. Once again, okay, we were still able to stay above this imbalance right here from the original sweep, right? Remember when I was saying, okay, news will probably cause a sweep. We swept out these lows, we caused a break of structure right here. We made this breaker, and we made this imbalance. And we've been respecting it. We came through, swept out all of this. This is looks to me like a fucking awesome long position, I'm not gonna lie. And if it closes bullish like this on the S&P, I'm gonna take it. NASDAQ, we haven't really gotten any sweeps of anything. So if we close bullish like this, I'm in that. I need to see a good bullish close though. I really can't see any bullshit. And with this, it looks like we're probably gonna break a structure to the upside. So this looks super fire. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go ahead and enter right now. Okay, we got in on that. Okay. I'm just marking out TPs right now. So we're entered in on this. Remember, I went way lower risk than usual because we have high impact news. And this past week hasn't been too forgiving. And it's the last trading day of the week for me because tomorrow is NFP. So we will see how this goes. Okay, we have our stops underneath this sweep right here. Okay, I want to be able to set a take profit right here, but it's not a good risk to reward. Like even to here is like just a 1 to 1.5 ish. Okay, so yeah, for me, I would much rather just be like, fuck it, I'm low risk today. I'll go for a better risk to reward than just like cop out here. Maybe if you guys are saying like, hey, we want to reduce our risk even more. For me, like I'm not risking really like shit today. So it's nice if we come up to these highs. Maybe I just say, awesome, we make this a break even day. I set my stop loss to break even, and then from there we see what we want to do. Okay. I don't really see anything else that I would want out of this. In terms of daily imbalance, it's so fat. I would honestly just, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is already in line with one. Yeah, that's pretty much it on this. I mean, even like I very well could just be done, said and done with one take profit on this, and who knows? I honestly might do that. Okay, so we'll keep these highs in mind just because they are hourly highs and there's profit that could be taken off of these. Hey, I love this song. And we have these extended take profits, but again, like let's not get really, really ambitious with this. Okay. We'll see where this goes. We're looking pretty decent right now. So if we're looking at NASDAQ, obviously we have the same bias when we're because I went for a long on the S&P. We're coming up to this first high, okay, that we need to watch out for. Maybe we move our stops to break even after that. But on NASDAQ, I didn't really see much that I like. We came into this 5-minute order block, but again, like, yeah, we swept out this, and yeah, we swept out this, but there wasn't nearly as much confirmation as we had on the S&P. So S&P is coming up towards that high. A lot of people were saying I'm not going to take this trade because I've been trading shittily the past, like, week, but all I'm going to say is trading is just like a trend, bro. There's highs and lows. And typically, when we make a high and form a new low, there's going to be another high made. And with that being said, we just took out this high. So if you guys do want to de-risk, you guys can go ahead and move your stop loss to break even, because this is a decent like confluence right there. The other sets of take profits that we have the top of this 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, we have the start of this hourly order block, we have the top of this hourly order block, and then we have the start of this breaker. And that's really all that I have in terms of take profits, because this huge leg up and then dump down, like, I don't know, to me, I'm looking at this and I don't really necessarily see us reaching all the way back above here. So, you know, let's just keep this shit conservative, you know. But yeah, something to definitely watch out for is profit taking on these highs, because this very well could just be, you know, a new sweep to the downside and then boom, sweep back and send this bitch. So if you guys do want to de-risk, like again, I'm not really risking shit today, so I'm very, very comfortable losing the money that I risked. I probably won't move my stop loss to break even, but if you guys do want to play it safe, hey man, we're already deep in profit. I know we lost a decent amount of trades last week, and then like how many times have we traded this week? 1 or 2 times, and I don't think we've won this week. So if you guys do want to protect your shit, do so. Again, like it's all about what your risk tolerance is, okay? NASDAQ is coming up towards these highs that we had marked out. Someone took 50% off here. That's a solid choice as well. Took profit and set rest for break even. Yeah, there you go. Literally, like this could be just a break even day, slight profit, move your stop to break even, do whatever your risk tolerance is for you. Okay, I'll call this like a take profit / break even type of point. Let's just keep watching price, okay? Wow, bro. Okay, so I just finished pooping. I ended up moving my stop to break even as well. I never took profit off this, but I did move my stop to break even to see if this ends up taking us out at break even just for a complete break even day. And luckily I came back right, boom. Right enough in time to be able to tell you guys to do the same. So I'm out for the day. Honestly, I'm calling this a successful day in terms of just like being able to execute and find at least one point. Remember, we talked about this being a potential sell-off point. So again, I'm fine with being out at break even and not taking another loss today. That is just how it goes. We have really high impact news this week. Luckily, next week, there's literally like nothing, okay? Which is fucking awesome. So we should be able to kill that shit next week. And yeah, I'm really, really excited to get going. We will have a market recap once price develops even further. But until then, we'll give you guys a market recap later tonight. Make sure you guys watch those. I know they're... How long is this live trade video? 17 minutes. Everyone should still be watching. Most of the live trade videos are way longer. These videos get probably 3 or 2x the views that the daily bias videos and the market recap videos get. Okay, those need to be watched. Okay, it's not just like a wake up and look at what TJR did for the day and what trade he took and did he win or lose. You need to get in there and look at like, okay, how did I figure out what I was doing for the day, and then look at what I did for the day, and then look at after the fact, how could I have done it differently, right? This week was a huge week in terms of like, oh, how can we improve, because we lost trades this week, right? So again, on weeks like this, it's like, okay, how can we improve? I wouldn't even mind doing a full backtesting session with you guys in the Discord. Where do we find these videos? It's on the YouTube, brother. I wouldn't even mind doing a full backtesting session with you guys. And again, like when I lose, you guys lose, and I'm losing at like a much higher volume and I guess monetary value than you guys. So again, it's not fun for me to lose, and it's not fun for you guys to lose either. But also, like, look at the beginning of what we did this year. Like 2 damn near flawless weeks. And then last week wasn't good. This week wasn't nearly as bad as last week. Last week was pretty bad. We won 1 trade and it only hit like 1 take profit, and all the other trades were washed. This week we've only lost 2 trades today. Some people might have made money off of taking profit right here. Some people might have just like not made any money by hitting break even like me. Okay, but regardless, there's shit to be learned from both last week and this week. So I would love to do a backtesting session with you guys. And I might as well upload that shit to YouTube as well, because again, like, you guys are watching these live trade videos and obviously gaining something from it. These are the trading videos that I want to upload, where, like, it's not like, hey, follow this strat, you know, like, fuck that. Like, literally fuck that. Okay, I really don't want to say, like, look at this trading strategy or these 5 tips. Like, fuck that. Let's get into the actual chart shit. No, not tomorrow backtest. Let's backtest today. Okay? But other than that, that's... Damn. I'm about to burp. You know what's awesome? This very well could also just be like another really valid long entry off of this. It's like literally the same entry that we had. It's the same shit. Like, we still got the break. It's the same shit on the 1 minute. It's literally the same exact entry. Sweep, break of structure, imbalance underneath here, breaker. But regardless, I'm fine with a break-even day, even if this ends up pushing and taking out all of our take profits. Because, one, I heavily de-risked, so even if I hit take profit, it wouldn't have been like anything crazy. And two, I'd much rather just learn from today and the past week to see how we can improve moving forward for next week where there's no high-impact moves. Okay? Hopefully you guys feel the same way. Yeah, literally, people are saying go short. Fucking Jesus, bro. Literally, like, price inches in one direction and y'all start sucking. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up for today. Yeah, there's going to be no live trade tomorrow because it's NFP, okay? That's one of the days that I fully avoid trading, okay? We'll do a backtesting session today. I'm going to try and figure out a good time to do that. It'll probably be, like, right after I go to the gym right now. So, like, maybe in the next 2 or 3 hours and all. Maybe we, fuck it, mate, bro. Maybe we go live on YouTube and do it. Okay? All right? With that being said, I'll catch you guys. I really appreciate you guys for hopping on. Thank you guys to the people on YouTube. I appreciate you guys for watching these videos, daily recaps, market recaps. I appreciate it, man. This is what this shit's all about, helping people out, helping people get better at trading, okay? That being said, I'll catch you guys. Peace out. See you guys later.